Elephant Wisdom. In the heart of the jungle, a young elephant named Ella embarked on a quest for wisdom. She sought guidance from the oldest elephant, which discussed. With each step, Ella learned valuable lessons about patience, kindness, and resilience, which Turkish shared stories of the jungle history, teaching Ella the importance of preserving their home. Through her journey, Ella discovered that true wisdom lies not only in knowledge but also in empathy and understanding. As she returned to her herd, Ella carried the wisdom of graduation, ready to lead with compassion and support.